my name's Louise Lyons MacLeod. Today I'm going to show you how to use up some of the leftovers from this lovely pastured chicken. In my last recipe I used the chicken breasts. Today we're going to make a gorgeous sandwich using the chicken thighs. So we'll roast off the chicken thighs and save the fat. So that's going to be a really important part of the recipe. Using the fat we're going to make some mayonnaise with the eggs and the mustard. And we're going to quickly pickle a cucumber because it's a very rich dish, but otherwise we're going to use the bread and the chicken thighs to make a really great leftover sandwich.